Messenger Bot SMS Campaign using the SMS API Gateway with Plivo. Hello, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my tutorial video. This video is a step-by-step process on how to use Messenger Bot SMS Campaign using the SMS API Gateway, Plivo. In Messenger Bot dashboard drop down to select Broadcasting and then click SMS Broadcasting. Then, select SMS Campaign and click Actions. Select New SMS Campaign from SMS Campaign screen. A Create SMS Campaign view will appear. Provide the campaign name and message. Now, select the SMS API from the drop-down menu and choose Plivo. Select a page for which you want to make this campaign. A number of subscribers will appear in the toll. You can also choose the targeting options, like target labels, exclude labels, gender, time zone, and locale. You can select the number for the contact field either manually or import the CSV file, and be sure to add your country code when inputting manual contacts. Select a sending time, along with the country code. Select Create or Cancel Campaign. SMS campaigns have been submitted successfully. Click OK. An overview of all the completed SMS campaigns. It contains name, SMS API type, total sent, actions, status scheduled at and created at. Click Report to check the summary of your SMS campaign. SMS Campaign Report contains campaign complete status, SMS API, total sent campaign and the summary of SMS sent to with information and reason why was not sent. An original SMS campaign message that sent to the subscriber. A message sent to one of the subscribers or contact. It contains the SMS campaign we created. Now you're ready to make your own integration. Just follow the step-by-step process and integrate with your Messenger bot.